Hey yo, I just want to record this quick video today just to share with you a little tip. It's not a new thing with Hyperise, but it's something that we use internally, and it's really simple to set up but really effective, especially if you're using website personalization already. So what we have is we have this landing page we see here, Hyperise/growth call, where we tend to funnel all of our cold outreach to, and we have a personalized video on here with scrolling website and all those sort of nice things, and a kind of a book, a book-in action below there. So what we've done is we've set up a Zapier Zap, where every time a personalized image on this page is triggered, so we've got like a personalized image here, and we've got another one down there, for example. So we've just selected one of those images in the Zap. We can see here, if we look at the trigger, we've got the strategy report, which is actually this image here. You can see which is personalized with their business name and the person's name, etc. It's triggered every time that image is personalized, because we know that that's on the growth call page. We're going to send that information to a Slack channel, so we get notified of somebody's joined that page, or someone's taken action and hit that page. And so it's really useful, especially if you kind of, from a sales perspective, to see, for example, you can see here's our messages for today in the growth call visitors Slack channel. We can see the details of the person, their business name, the campaign that they came from when they joined, and also the link with their personalization details in there. So I could even click that page and see what they've seen. Obviously, you could have other different personalizations or different actions in there. And what's really great is that within the kind of the Slack action, what you can do is just add in your own message. Choose whatever channel you want to go to, and you've got all of the personalization data that we've fetched from that visit. It could be like their business name, their job title, where they're from. You could have a map with using their Latin long. Obviously first name, last name, email address, all of that sort of useful information you can inject into the Slack message, so then you end up with, as you saw there, this nice big long list of all the people you've been reaching out to, and you can see them there. So maybe you want to give them a nudge, use that email to kind of can reach out to them again, maybe even give them a call knowing that they're hot right at that moment on your page. So lots of different ways that you can make sure that these prospects, these visitors to your pages, become live customers or live or hot prospects. Anyway, just thought I'd share this with you. It's very simple to set up, as I said, just using Zapier and using our image personalization triggers. And obviously in this case we're putting the data into Slack. You could quite easily have a different process where maybe if you're using HubSpot, you add a note to that customer to say, hey, they visited this page. And so from a sales perspective, again, you could have a hot list of people that have